Hi, my name is Stephanie with YachtWay. Today I'm going to walk you through how to create a purchase agreement with YachtWay EasySign. We begin by signing into your YachtWay profile and opening the EasySign dashboard from the top right corner. Here you can switch between the listing and purchase agreement tabs. This keeps your workspace organized and clean. There are several ways to create a new purchase agreement. Number 1. Create a new purchase agreement in the center of the dashboard. Number 2. Click New EasySign in the top right and select Purchase Agreement. Or start it directly from any listing page or from your vessel catalog. This gives you instant access to the documents you need wherever you are. If the vessel is already listed, select it, and then the system will automatically reveal all the details: vessel information, engines information, make and model. Anytime you need help or want to share feedback, you can open the support chat in the bottom right corner. Our team is always there to assist you in real time. Next, fill in the buyer's information. If there is a broker involved, you can also add it. Next, go to the seller's information. Fill out all the seller's information. Also, if you already created a listing agreement before, all the seller's information will be there automatically. If there is a listing broker involved, you can select one of your brokers from your firm. Then we have the registration and warranty information. If you have the registration information, you can fill it out, or you can move forward to the next step. Now you can see the warranty section, where you can put the expiration dates. If the deal includes a trade-in, you can add the trade-in information. Then we move to the contingencies section. If your deal has a financing, you can share the details with the lender. They will have access to the documents shared through their secure dashboard. Below financing, you will find all the standard contingencies such as sea trial, mechanical survey, and marine survey. If you need to add any special notes, you can add them at the bottom of this section. Next, we move to the financial terms. You can add any discounts, and you can select to put it in a percentage or amount. If the deal includes any additional costs, you can add them, and you can also add the tax and amount for each item. Below that, you're going to see the vessel tax. You're going to add the vessel tax, you can put it in amount or a percentage. Then you're going to be able to add any fees. If you have US Coast Guard fees, state registration fees, or any type of fees you want to enter, you can enter as many as needed. Next, you have the deposit section. You can add deposits by entering the amount or percentage. You can also get notifications, reminders once a deposit is coming up. You will receive your reminder and the broker as well. Below deposits, you're going to be able to upload your wire instructions so the customer receives them with a contract. The next step is the contract dates. If you have contract date, acceptance, closing dates, delivery location, you can add those in that tab. If your deal requires custom terms or a special paragraph, you can add those in the next section. The final step is who is going to sign and how they're going to sign. You can select to do a hand signature, download the document, and make your customer sign it, or you can select electronic signature with YachtWay, which is powered by DocuSign. You can also choose to send buyer automatic reminders every 24 hours if the contract has not been signed yet. Once you confirm everything, the system will prepare the contract. You can then choose to send it for signing, send it for review, or download the document. Send it for review lets your manager or legal team check the document before it goes to the customer. Once approved, you can send it for signing. After sending the contract, return to EasySign dashboard. You will see the new deal display with its current status. Once all parties sign, you can move on the remaining deals documents such as vessel acceptance, closing statements, state registrations, and U.S. Coast Guard documentation. If you need to upload or send any additional documents for signature, you can do that here as well. This is how you create purchase agreements using YachtWay EasySign. YachtWay EasySign is a fully encrypted workspace that meets the most strict data security protocols, including GDPR, SOC2 Type 1 and Type 2, and aligned with CCPA. You can always visit our Trust Center to view our live certificates at trust.yachtway.com. This means EasySign follows the same privacy standards used by world banks and leading global companies. Thank you for watching the EasySign tutorial. Happy selling, happy signing.